The evolution of drones and the impact of AI, a soaring partnership. The drone industry has come a long way since its humble beginnings with remote-controlled toys. Today, it's a booming sector with diverse applications, and artificial intelligence, AI, is playing a key role in its growth and transformation. Let's take a flight through the evolution of drones and see how AI has impacted their journey. The very first drones were primarily used for military purposes, with limited capabilities and manual control. Remote-controlled drones gained popularity among hobbyists, paving the way for recreational use and technological advancements. Later on, many industries started using drones commercially. For mapping and surveying, drones equipped with cameras offered efficient aerial data collection and was used widely in construction. The potential for delivery and inspection in various industries like agriculture, energy, and infrastructure became evident. Then came the artificial intelligence. AI was used in autonomous navigation. AI algorithms enabled drones to navigate complex environments without relying solely on pre-programmed routes, increasing safety and efficiency. Real-time data analysis became popular. Onboard AI could process data from sensors and cameras in real time, allowing for immediate insights and actions. AI helped in advanced decision-making in drones. AI empowered drones to make autonomous decisions based on the environment, like obstacle avoidance or route adjustments. AI-powered drones started making waves in various industries. Agri-tech companies started multiple projects with drones focusing on yield and efficiency. US-based Prospero used AI-powered drones to analyze crop health, predict yield, and identify pests early on for targeted treatment, reducing waste and maximizing yield, resulting in increased efficiency, sustainability, and crop quality for farmers. In Zipline project, autonomous drone deliveries of medical supplies in remote areas of Rwanda, saving lives and improving healthcare access, resulting in faster, more cost-effective delivery of essential goods, particularly in challenging areas. AI-powered drones are used in inspection and maintenance. AI-powered drones equipped with thermal cameras autonomously inspect oil and gas pipelines, detecting leaks and potential issues for preventative maintenance. Resulted in enhanced safety, reduced downtime, and cost savings for infrastructure management. Now let us go to application in search and rescue. DJI China project developed drones with AI-powered object detection and thermal imaging for faster and more efficient search and rescue operations in disaster zones. This helps in saving lives and minimizing risks for first responders. What is the future of drone AI collaboration? Let us dive into what to expect by taking a glimpse of what companies are working on. Companies like Extend, US, are working on AI-powered drone swarms for tasks like agricultural field mapping and environmental monitoring, offering efficient and comprehensive data collection. Airmars, Switzerland, focuses on developing intuitive AI-powered interfaces for drone control, making them easier and safer to operate for various applications. Companies like Agrobot, France, use AI and drones to create highly detailed 3D crop models, enabling precise fertilizer and pesticide application, reducing waste and environmental impact. Remember, this is just a glimpse into the vast potential of AI-powered drones. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative and groundbreaking use cases to emerge, transforming industries and shaping our future. In conclusion, AI has propelled the drone industry to new heights by enabling autonomy, intelligence, and efficiency. This partnership has opened doors to diverse applications and holds immense potential for the future, reshaping industries and transforming our world in ways we can't yet fully imagine.